Alright, we got a Coleman furnace here. It's not heating. So turn the thermostat back on. Where's your thermostat at? Oh, sorry. There it goes. Okay, thanks. Reducer.
Now I bought one of those high-tech thermostats. There's no reason I can't install that, right?
No, yeah, you can.
I bought it a long time ago. I haven't even installed it. It's so stupid. It's like $250, but I didn't install it.
Let's see if we ignite. No ignition. Okay. Well, this guy is clicking, but let's see if it's sending 24 volts to the valve. So we'll wait for it to recycle. Should start back up here again. It's a Coleman DGAT 075 BDC. Looks like it's from 1995, second week of 95. Alright, this thing should ignite again. So we're going to check 24 volts at the valve on this terminal and the other terminal. And if we have 24 volts, that means our valve's bad. But if we don't have 24 volts, that means our module's bad. So let's see what happens. Should recycle again. I'm gonna just reset the power real quick. Turn that back on. Should ignite again. There it is. All right. So we'll check 24 volts to the valve. Right when that clicks, it should send 24 volts here. From there, so let's see. So it's about to click. Just clicked. No voltage. And the igniter goes back down, so that's a bad module. So we'll put a new module on there. New ignition control, and this thing should light up. Yep, that's the right one. All right. Let's start by unmounting the unmount this module. So we'll go
Yeah.
here. This one goes to
Hey, you done it? You already done it?
the valve. So I just go wire for wire.
No, stay in there.
Some guys
Allie, no.
the ground. Go to ground. This is the exact match. Let's get the flame sensors, the yellow. RS would be your flame sensor. And then the L1. Just go over to L1. And then these ones are the igniter. One hand here. There's another igniter. And then we got our neutral. This last one. Alright. So I pretty much just go wire for wire. It's really easy. And now we should ignite. Producer, making a lot of oil. This thing needs to be replaced, but they're gonna keep it. So now we should get ignition. Ooh, there it is. So there you go. Ignited. 23.5 volts going to the valve now. So yeah, that was definitely the issue. Look at that flame. Alright. Let's test for some CO. Make sure the blower comes on. Yeah, just a faulty ignition module. It's the original part, so from 95, that's pretty good. Look for that blower. By the time we come back, the stuff should be on. I've been wanting to do a van tour video. Just kind of show you a little bit of my van here. This is my setup. Got my yellow jacket gauges here. Regular ones, got my Testo 570s there. You know, we're residential mainly, so you know, I'm doing any refrigeration, but I got 410, R22. Got my yellow jacket backpack there. This is all my parts right here. Got all igniters, some circuit boards, mobile home circuit boards at the top. This is mostly train and carrier on the bottom. All my blower motors. blower motors are right here. I got some mobile home blower motors, pressure switches right over here. I got some hard starts, carbon monoxide. Motors on. Nice. So check some carbon monoxide. All right. Where is your nearest vent? Okay. Just gonna test some air. Yeah, you guys got a lot of debris down there. So the cleaning will definitely be beneficial to you guys. Is that something you guys still want to do? The cleaning? Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I thought your wife just thought it.
No, she's just here. Well, you know, women, if I don't get salty,
No, yeah, it'll work. It'll
no,
work.
but for years I've done it.
You guys are, you really need a new furnace, but it's working safely. So I don't have any carbon monoxide coming out, and that's the